Hello guys, it's Irina here and I have great news for you guys. We have just released a new Blender course on our academy, rendercraft.com. We will be creating Homer Simpson from the famous TV show The Simpsons. Let's go! Before we start modeling the character, we will need the reference images that we provided for you. We will start the character creation using basic meshes and modifiers. It will be a low poly model, easy modeling, and suitable for beginners. After importing the reference images, we will continue to create the character. Firstly, we will model the head with lips, nose, and ears, later focusing on the eyeballs. When we finish modeling the head, we will be ready to hop onto Homer's white t-shirt. Once we finish modeling the t-shirt, we will model the pants and shoes. After we finish modeling the clothes, we will focus on the arms and hands. When we finish the modeling, we'll start applying the materials and finalizing the character creation. In the end, we will create a platform for the character beneath the model, add the camera, and play around with the final render settings. Then finally, we will be ready to render out the image. If you want to get access to this course and 80 other courses, check out our online academy, rendercraft.com. You can get a monthly subscription plan or you can get them individually. With the price, same as Netflix, it's your choice. Should you watch a movie or create one? The link will be in the description box down below and I will see you there.